Hello everyone. I am Jackson. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Are you looking for the largest boiler company in Australia? Then O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited is the best option for you. The company provides a wide range of boilers, service, and maintenance to the industrial and commercial industry. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited is a privately owned company focused on customers' unique needs. As the company maintain a high standard, so it is sure you will get the highest quality mechanical and electrical systems from them. Do you want to get more information about their teamwork? Take a look at https://obrienenergy.com.au, or you can call at 1300771759. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.